welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Shalini. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. If you're following my channel, you must be knowing that I am a big fan of Momsco and I have used the entire range of Momsco, and today I'm going to review the two most favorites of mine from the brand. And I have been using both this product for last 6 months. Only when I am fully satisfied and I have seen visible results in my skin, that's the time when I have decided to review them for you guys. Now I would like to say that my skin is dry, dehydrated, and it has little bit pigmentation here and there. So if you are someone who has combination to dry skin, I will highly recommend have the Natural Vita Rich Serum and the Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. Now first I'm going to talk about the serum. So it comes in this small bottle and it comes with this pump over here so that you can use it with ease, and you will absolutely love it because it creates no fuss, no mess. It's very easy to use. So now I will talk about the texture. The texture of the serum is little bit in the thicker side. So if you're someone who has oily skin and in summer, I will not recommend it for you guys. But people like us who have very dry skin, dehydrated skin, we usually prefer moisturizers, serum, toners which has little hydrating effect in them. This is the one for you guys. It has hydrating effect and it comes in this thick texture. So I will say one thing about this serum is that it is thicker in the side, so you might face little bit difficulty in pumping it out. This is the texture of the serum, and it blends really well in your skin. It has essence in it, a really strong essence. So if you are someone who does not like essence and don't want your serum to have any kind of essence or any kind of fragrance in it, stay away from this serum. Now they claim that this serum has vitamin C, vitamin B3, B5E and a hydrochloric acid, but it also claims that it replenishes and repairs. It works in your hyperpigmentation, but I will say that it will take some time. So I have been using for 6 months and then I saw some result in my skin. So if you want quick result, this is not the serum for you. Since it has vitamin C, what I do is I usually use it in night, and I will recommend you people to use it at night and not in the morning, because then when we go out in the sun, it might have some negative effect on our skin. The other thing that you people might be knowing that I have dark circles. I had dark circles, a really bad one, like 6 months back, but now when I have been trying different things to get rid of my dark circle, this is one of such cream which I have been trying for last 6 months, and this is my 3rd or 4th bottle of this is the 4th bottle. I have already finished 3 bottles of it. This is Natural Vita Rich Serum. It has coffee oil, vitamin E and vitamin B3. Coffee itself helps in reducing all the dark spots of our skin, and vitamin C helps to even out our skin. It reduces dark circles, puffiness and fine line. It has really worked for me. It has reduced my dark circle. I don't have puffiness, so I cannot really say on that. I don't have wrinkles right now, thankfully, so I cannot say about that, but it does work on my dark circle. Why it is highly recommended is because of this thing. It has a roller on the top of the bottle which helps to reduce your puffiness under your eyes and also the wrinkles over here, because what we do is you push it over here and little bit of this cream comes out. So this is enough for your eyes. What I usually do is, for my eyes, this amount is little bit more. So what I do is I take one puff in my this eye and another in my this eye like this, and once it is there, what I do is I try and gently massage it like this. After that, after you do it for 1 minute, what I do is I take my fingers, ring fingers, and gently just massage it like this. What it helps is that to reduce all the clogginess that the cream might create, and it evens out the cream. It spreads over here. You can also use the roller over here. The very effective thing for this bottle, I will say, is that even if the bottle is over and you don't want to repurchase the cream again, it might happen that it might not work for you. What you can still do is keep this roller with you, and whichever eye cream you use, make sure you take the roller and roll it, because what we do is we buy jet roller to massage our under eye. This is the thing that will help you. Another tip which I usually do is I keep the cream in the refrigerator, and whenever I want to use at night, I take out and put. What it does is that it gives a very nice cooling effect under my eyes, and it relaxes. So I will again highly recommend you to purchase it and use it, and definitely let me know if this has worked for you. Again, this is paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free, and they have already mentioned in details all the ingredient, how to use. So it is very informative. Everything is clear and out there, so there is no hidden ingredient, nothing. You can really trust this brand. I have trusted it. This is not a sponsored video. I have myself purchased all the product, and I will definitely recommend it to all of you to go ahead and buy both this product. But if you have oily skin, don't buy the serum. It might not work for you. Another thing which it did is that since I have sensitive skin, first few days when I was using the serum, it was little bit tinkling on my skin, maybe because of the vitamin C or something, but it was tinkling. I had few tinkling sensation every time I use it, but gradually when I started using it, it took some time to settle down, but there was no negative effect on my skin. There was no pimples, nothing. It went down, it healed my skin really well. Right now there are so many offers going on in the Momsco website, in Nykaa, in Amazon. So you can go and check it out, all the offers that are available. You really get discounts on this brand. They do offer 20% discount, sometimes 10% discount. So I will definitely recommend you guys to buy it when you have it on a discounted price, so that you don't have to pay the entire amount. But even though the pricing is little bit on the higher side, this is absolutely amazing product, and you will not regret after buying it. I hope this video has been useful to you, and do let me know if you like this product in the comment section down below. Also let me know if there is any product that you want me to review or talk about it. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.